We now return to Ask a Roofer.
What's something small that makes your day better?
People with good attitudes.
My best friend sends me little, sweet, cute messages and stuff. So, it's the small things, yeah.
I would say just random kindness in people, whether they say hi as you're walking by down the street or you were walking your local HEB. Just, I guess, kindness.
Just observing nature.
Well, my puppies get excited when I get up in the morning.
My attitude in the mornings.